Alright guys, Big J here. We're going to be doing an oil change with some Havoline 10W30 on the good old KP Mini. And obviously it's a simple process. Got your drain nut down in here, which will get to you. Alright, got your drain nut here. And simply taking a 17 millimeter, you're going to loosen this up, and once you loosen that up, you go around to the other side and you loosen up the cap. And here we go. Just going to break it free. Oh, trying to tighten it. I don't know. Let's see. Crap tools. This is one of those $10 ratchet sets. Right tight, left loose. Yeah. There we go. Now that I got it loosened, I'll just get it up in there. Now I cleaned off the surrounding area of any dirt or anything. You know it's at the bottom, so it's okay. I'll show you that break-in oil. There's the break-in oil. Pretty clean. Granted, this the KP only has about 31 miles on it, but we're going ahead and draining out the old oil on this one. All right, let me fix my stand here. All right, there we go. Take my trusty paper towel. Wipe my hands off. You want to keep things as clean as possible. You know, oil can get messy. You don't want to get it all over the place. You get it on the floor of your garage, on your driveway, and it gets on your tires, and then all of a sudden you're skidding out. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up the fill cap to allow me to get more out. Okay, so this is your KP fill cap right here. Excuse me. Alright, this is your fill cap. It's not a dipstick. It does, you kind of got to go by the window, or you check out your owner's manual and you find out exactly how much you have in there. But you can let it drain for a little while, get the most out of it as we can, and fill to the window on that. Once again, I'm cleaning it off, trying to keep things nice and clean, oil free, dirt, grime, keep it clean. I love the KP Mini. I'm a big guy. It is kind of small for me, so it's a great bike, but I've been thinking about getting rid of it. I prefer my my larger Dongfeng 250cc, the X22R, to this. Not in ways of quality or anything. It's just it is a play bike. It is a small monkey bike, and it's too small for me. And I'm not popping wheelies or anything like I thought I was gonna do all these stunts. It's just I don't move like that anymore. So you know, the X22R is really good for me in size and what I'm going to be doing on a bike. Yeah, if you know anybody's interested in purchasing the KP, it's for sale, and It's 31 miles on it. Nothing's wrong with it. The only thing I've done to it was right now change the oil and put the DF250 RTS stock club official air filter on it, the pod filter. So if you want to save yourself some money, $1,600 out the door, come pick it up. We're in Florida. If you're close, even better, you know, get it before Christmas. You try to order something online right now, you might not get it before Christmas. So okay, this looks like it's doing pretty well draining. Give it a little shake. Yeah, and get a little bit more out of it, see? Now it's draining even more once I lifted it up. Reading this over here, the engine is a 157 FMJ. Once again, that's a 157 FMJ. Now this is the NBF series of engines that Lifan is selling now. Balance shafts. This is a really good engine. There's hardly any vibration in it compared to the DF, the XR, the X22R. And the X22R, I don't know if that's got a balance shaft or not, but the X22R is actually a 165 FMM, and that is an overhead. That's an overhead cam. Which is better than the original CG series. It's a CG250 DG. Alright, so this looks like that's just about done. I try to hold it up here. Just don't roll away on me. Yeah. Besides, I'm getting painting the XR. I keep calling it XR, the X22R. Really, there's nothing more I want to do with it. I think it's pretty much modded out to where it's got to be. We hit 100 miles an hour these days. That's the SAI delete, that's air intake, the Casoli ECU, the Makuni, and slip on, and whatever else we did. So anyway, as far as continuing, mods and stuff on these bikes, I think we're about done. Besides finished painting the X22R and possibly getting rid of the KP. So, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If I come up with anything, oil cooler, I want to do the oil cooler on the X22R, put the oil cooler in there, and possibly eventually down the line go with the water cooled 300cc. So we'll see, but definitely probably not going to be pumping them out like I was. Set up the website, trying to show people these are good bikes and stuff. Bought a bunch of parts, the stock for my online shop, and I honestly just lost a lot of money doing that. I do know I've gotten about 20 different people to purchase these bikes from BelmontBikes.com and Venom. Which, Belmont and Venom were very good about sponsoring some of my upgrades. We appreciate that, Vinny. But, we just don't have the time or money. The time we have, but lost a lot of money, man. So, it sounds grim, but holidays are coming up. You gotta think about the kids, gotta think about the family. Gotta focus on what needs to be focused on. You got those, if you're looking for information on your KP, there's a lot of guys out there doing videos. Just tightening it up now. I would The best videos are coming from Etard Adventures and Buzzification, Dorito and Lucha Cabre. Yeah, apparently they've got some pretty good contact with Lifan up there. And they're making some real good videos, man. So you guys go check out Dorito, Lucha Cabre, Buzzification, and Etard Adventures. Etard, man, he's a big guy, but he can sure rock a wheelie, I'll tell you that. I'm putting this in here, it kind of felt weird. I feel like there should have been some type of a ring, gasket ring, but maybe, I mean, there wasn't. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get this filled up, and maybe we'll do another video today. But yeah, peace out, guys.